Today, we will learn how to use drop-down list in Excel. No. Don't do this. We will create a list somewhere in the same sheet, so it is not visible all the time. I will create a list in the extreme right cell. To go there, hold Ctrl key and press right arrow key. Here, create a list. Now, return to main cells by holding Ctrl key and left arrow key. Being at the column, go to Data tab, then Data Validation. From the Allow drop-down, select List, and then go to Source. Go to the list you just created by holding Ctrl and right arrow. Select the entire list by holding Shift and down arrow. Then click OK. Come back to your data, and you will see the drop-down list is available now, but only in one cell. To copy all, hold the right bottom of cell and drag till end. Now, all cells have the drop-down list. That's it. Happy learning. Be safe. And do not forget to subscribe and share this channel.